After seeing this, you will want to use a banana peel stuck to your body. The banana is one of the first fruits harvested by man. This fruit is native to India from where it was expanding to the rest of the world, and today is one of the most consumed fruit internationally in many countries. This fruit is consumed mainly when it is in a state of maturity, where the fruit happens of green color to yellow, where it can be ingested by a person with only to remove the shell that protects it. But this shell not only takes care of protect the fruit, but also has very good medicinal properties that we can use for the well-being of our health. Many people usually discard the ripe banana peel after eating it, but they do not realize that they are making a serious mistake as they are wasting the medicinal properties of this peel. Here are some of the main uses of the banana peel, banana for the well-being of our health. After reading this, think twice before throwing the shell back into the trash. Benefits of ripe banana peel. 1. Skin conditions. The banana peel has excellent healing properties to treat major skin problems such as acne, treat wrinkles, rashes on the skin. Also, placing a banana peel stuck to the skin with masking tape is very good for insect bites and remove the warts. 2. Whitening teeth. Rubbing the ripe banana peel on your teeth helps maintain the natural white of them, something that most people would like to have, but this is a very expensive dental clinical process. Because with this home remedy you no longer have excuses to look some white teeth. You should only rub the peel on the affected inner part for about 5 minutes, and in a few days you will notice the difference.